and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a video, a part 2 of the Forsythia cuttings that I made in water vs soil. You can see the one in soil, the leaves are a little bit wonky, but the water cuttings are pretty good. So this one in water has roots, and this one has one root at the bottom, but we are going to see which one has rooted better. First, I'm going to show you the water cuttings. These are looking good. I see a lot of roots, but we're going to take them out and have a closer look. And this one in soil, I have one root sticking out, and there's no more roots there. But first we're gonna check the water cuttings. These are the water cuttings. Oh, there's a lot of roots. This is the first one. This one has 2 roots, but it's looking pretty good. So we're going to put that one in soil later. This small cutting also looks good. It has also 2 roots. And you can see it roots at a new sprout. This one as well. Oh, this one has 3. This one did nothing yet, so we're going to put it back in water. The leaves are still good, so. And this one has roots at 3 places. So that's good. And this one, it has the most roots, as you can see. This one is doing very good. And this one, oh, it has a little root up there, just starting. So we're gonna put that one back in water later. And now we're going to look at the cuttings in soil. And carefully pulling them out. And as you can see, there is more roots in here. So that is a good thing. Going to separate these. Oh, there's a snail in here. Wait, I need to get it out. Now we're back, and now we're going to see how they have rooted. This is the first. It has a lot of roots, also longer roots a little bit. And this one, oh, this is having a lot of roots also, so that's a good cutting. And this one, oh, this one has no roots, and the leaves are a little bit wonky, so I'm going to put that one in water later. And this one also, it did not root any, and the leaves are sad, So I'm going to put that one also in water, and I hope I can fix it just like this one. It doesn't have any roots. So we're going to put that in water and see if we can fix it. This one has a small root up here, just this one. And this is the last one. Just get some soil off so we can see it better. This one has a lot of roots, so that's also a good cutting. And these, we're going to put that in water later. But first I'm going to pot these up. And we're going to put the soil ones first. And I am showing you how I am doing that. And in the next video, we're going to see if the cuttings in water root well in soil. Because there's a difference between water and soil. And they're not used to the soil yet. So we're going to see if that is a thing. These are the cuttings. There's a bit of a difference. There are a few cuttings that don't root in soil. But for the rest, I don't know if there's really a big difference in roots. This one, going to pot it up like usual. This one is from soil. So this one is used to it. This is the first, and the next ones I'm going to speed it up a little bit. So it's going faster. All the cuttings are getting one container per cutting. The soil ones I keep on one side and the water keeping on the other side, so we can see a difference in growth maybe in the next video. This one I'm going to put in water. This one has a little bit of root, but we're going to pot it up in a container. Just a bit more soil. This one is out of from water cutting, so it needs to get used to the soil, but we see that in a next video, part 3. This one I'm going to put over there so I can see the difference. And all the cuttings that don't have roots I'm putting back in water. This one as well. Now we're done. And now water it very good. And then I'm putting it back in my greenhouse, because that was where they were staying in. But thank you for watching. Bye bye.